So ICB, what you do, for example, this is the building. Okay. This is the basement. Below is basement. This is the ground floor and above floors. Here you have the pump room. This is the pump. Imagine the pump. From, I will change the color. From pump room, it will go to ICB. Okay. This is the sprinkler line. Then it will come back.
Okay.
And then go to the riser. And there you can connect to each floors. So it will be on the ground level or in the pump room. Most as per norms, as per new norms, you can provide in the pump room. As per NBC, okay, you can provide in the pump room. See, all the you complete all the videos. You will have lot of doubt now. Okay, once you complete and make note how you are making note. No, that is very good. I feel very good. So that you make the notes that way. Once you complete the things, then because this point is covered already, I'll just stop.